What's up, y'all? So this is a video I did not plan on doing, but the tech enthusiast in me needed answers. I keep watching YouTube reviews on these earbuds and all the YouTube reviews say they're good. But then I get on Amazon, Best Buy, Target, and the reviews on there say they're not so good. It's like an average of 3 stars, but all the people that's complaining is complaining about the same thing. They say they don't sound good. This is the lowest rating that I've ever seen on an Apple or a Beats product. So I need answers. So I went and bought them just so that I can see what's going on. Okay. Nice and snug. Let's get some music on. Okay, so now I'm really questioning the Best Buy reviews, the Target reviews, and the Amazon reviews. I don't understand. These are extremely loud and the bass is very thumpy. So right now I'm at a loss for words because I'm expecting the worst. I went to go pick these up because I needed answers. I got my answers. These sound great. If anything, they are very heavy on the bass, but that's kind of Beats signature. It's a signature fun beat sound. One thing that I do want to note is these things been on noise cancellation mode out the box. And I can still hear background noise. So the noise cancellation is not that good. And I'm basing these kind of based off the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. So the noise cancellation isn't that good. As far as the fitment, the default ear tips fit really good in my ear. So I might be one of the lucky ones there, but they also include 5 ear tips in the box. As far as the build quality, that was really never in question. It's a premium feeling product. PowerBeats never disappoint as far as the build quality. You will find yourself pushing this B in trying to adjust them because I'm already doing that when I'm trying to move them in. You will be pressing this button right here. Somebody else also mentioned that having just one in doesn't sound that good, but it actually sounds good. Of course, it's not AirPods Pro level, but it sounds good just having one in. So these bad boys actually created a problem for me because now I want to keep these. I wouldn't have got this color if I planned on keeping them. So I think I might go take these back to Target and go to the Apple store and get that orange color. In conclusion, are these worth $250? I'm really not sure. But what I am sure is the volume on these are good because I was under the impression based off reviews that the volume wasn't loud. The volume is plenty loud. So the volume's not an issue. The bass is good. The build quality is good. You can use them with one ear and get decent quality. The noise cancellation is not good at all to me. And that's really all I got for y'all. Stay blessed, not stressed. Pray more, not less. I'm out.